Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Ledger to your phone. First, download the Ledger Live mobile application from your phone's App Store. Make sure your Ledger device is fully charged and has the most recent firmware installed. Then, enable Bluetooth on your Ledger Nano X. Open the Ledger Live app and choose to either initialize a new device or connect your existing Nano. This sets the stage for a secure mobile experience. Next, follow the clear on-screen instructions within the Ledger Live application to start the pairing process. You will need to confirm the pairing request directly on your Ledger device by pressing both physical buttons simultaneously. Then, carefully enter the unique pairing code shown on your Ledger into the mobile app. Once completed, your Ledger device will be securely connected to your phone via Bluetooth, ready for use. With your Ledger connected, you can now conveniently add and manage a wide range of cryptocurrency accounts directly from your phone. You can send and receive digital assets using the Ledger Live application. Remember to always verify all transaction details on your physical Ledger device before confirming any action. This allows you to check your portfolio balance and transaction history easily, even when you are out and about. Finally, let's talk about security. Always ensure both your Ledger Live application and your device's firmware are kept up to date for optimal protection. Crucially, never, ever share your 24-word recovery phrase with anyone, under any circumstances. Also, use a strong passcode or biometric authentication on your phone. For maximum security, remember to disconnect your Ledger device from your phone when it is not actively being used.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.